What's up, everybody? ADW99 Packers here. I was at Target yesterday. I bought this Packer Absolute Memorabilia for $9.99. It comes with one memorabilia card plus 3 packs. The 3 packs of base cards were alright, but the jersey card that I got inside, the memorabilia card, was this awesome Vernon Davis Rookie Features card. It is not numbered. It is a really awesome card. So it is for trade. So let me know if you want it or anything. So let me know, subscribe to my page, and stay tuned for more uploads. See ya.